Okay, what are you doing today? Today's lesson is a Moodle lesson, and it's done completely independently. Right now, this video that you're watching is the class intro that you see at the top of the page. And then after I show you basically what you're going to be doing, then you're going to do this independently on the tablet, on your own. The point here is that number one, it's a graded activity. Number two, it monitors whether everyone watched the video or not. So do not just skip past the videos. You have to watch the videos in order to get through the whole thing. If for some reason the videos become a problem, watching them on the tablet, the sub can show them to you as a group, and then you sit there and do the questions on your own. The problem is it keeps sending you back to the video if you don't get the answers right. So it's best if you do it on your own. So if you click on the lesson, the way it works is there's going to be an intro section. This video is 18 minutes long. That is the first talk about power problems. It's a continuation of our discussion that we had last class where we ended up talking about electrostatic discharge. So you watch this YouTube video and then you click next down at the bottom, and then there'll be questions about the video to make sure you got it. You'll answer the question and you'll say check the answer. You check to go to the next one. If you get it wrong, you go back to the video so that you can get the right answer, because you can't progress on to the next section until you've gotten all the answers correct. So if you didn't watch the video, if you didn't take notes during the video, you're not going to be able to get all the answers right. But if you paid attention to the video, they're going to be pretty easy. So you go through, you answer the questions. There's, I think, 5 questions that from this video, maybe 6. And then you'll get the next video. The next video is 14 minutes long, and it is over power supply problems as opposed to power problems, and power supplies in general, and an introduction to power supplies. Then there's some question on the intro to power supplies section, and then if you get all those questions right, then you move on to the next section. So it's really not a group activity. This is an individual activity that you should be watching on your tablet on your own. Remember that if you turn the resolution on the YouTube video down, it'll be a smaller download and it will happen faster on your tablet. So if you have it all the way up to HD, you're not going to see HD on a 7-inch tablet, so there's no reason to do that. It's just going to make the video ratchet and take longer to play. So after this, if the sub's done the attendance, you guys can just get out your tablets and start watching the videos from there. If you don't have your tablet, I would like the sub to make note of who doesn't have their tablet, because it is required to have your tablet charged every day, and you can get out and use the laptop if you need to do this lesson just as easily as the tablet. In fact, let's say this. If you're having problems with the video on the tablet, you can use a laptop, because I still want you to do these independently with your own headphones on. If you forgot your headphones, you can use the ones hanging on the wall, but in no case should people be doing this with their own volume out so that it bothers the person next to you, because the person next to you may pay more attention and get through the whole lesson faster than you do. So that's our intro for today's lesson.